How to fix your transaction cannot be completed on Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix your transaction can't be completed on Google Play Store. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to tap and hold Play Store and tap I button. This will lead you access to the app info section of Google Play Store. So tap on Storage Users and tap Clear Cache, and you can easily clear data as well as per your choice. So this step might be very simple, but this will help us to clear different kinds of glitches and bugs from our apps. So once you do that, exit from the section. Now you need to open Play Store and check whether you have correct country selected or not. If not, go to the profile at top right corner and then tap on payments and subscriptions. Here you can select the payment methods and then tap more payment settings. From here you can easily open any browser, choose Chrome for a while, and here tap add a payment method. After that, when you want to purchase anything, here you can easily add credit or debit card number, the date, card holder name, and correct billing address. So if you do not add the correct billing address, maybe due to that the problem may arise. So after you enter the correct countries, then your transaction cannot be completed. Problem will be resolved on Play Store. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.